Hello, hello, this is Agnes and welcome to day 10 of Attracting Your Dream Job workshop, 15-day intensive. Now, today you're going to listen to a fantastic podcast again with James Altucher, and the title is How to Quit Your Job and Do What You Love. So that will be down in the description for you to listen to. You will also continue to do your affirmations, but now you're going to bump them up to 80. You're also going to do your work paragraph, and you're going to, again, add more detail about as much of anything that you can think of, whether it's environment, whether it's what you're wearing to work, whether it's where you're sitting, what tasks you're doing, what tools you use. Try and put as much detail as you go through the days, because this is going to give you a really good just base to read, and it will make it more real because you'll have lots and lots of detail, and that's what you want. Lots of visuals, lots of detail, lots of looking at things from different angles, looking at your clothes that you're wearing, all that stuff. As you add it in, it becomes more of a 3D real experience, okay? Now, also, I hope you're getting through the book by Wallace Wattles. I won't say anything more about that today, and I will take you straight into your meditation to live in the end of your dream job. So close your eyes and get comfortable in your favorite position, uninterrupted by anyone. This is your time to just totally be present and to enjoy living in the wish fulfilled of already having what you desire. So, your eyes closed, and we're going to start with the breath. 6, in for 4 and out for 4. Breathe in for 4 and breathe out for 4. And breathe in for 4 and breathe out for 4. Let go of all the stress, all the worry, anything you've got going on, let it all go. Breathe in for 4 and breathe out for 4. And breathe in for 4 and breathe out for 4. And breathe in for 4 and breathe out for 4. And breathe in for 4 and breathe out for 4. Now today, in your mind's eye, I want you to imagine that you're sitting at a computer and you're looking up your banking. And as you go into Google, and then you go into your banking app or banking website. You log in, you put in your password, and then the screen comes up with the amounts that have come in and the amounts that have come out of your bank account. And today you see that you have received your very first payment from your dream job. Now, I'd like you to imagine, as you're sitting there before the computer, how much that amount is. And I'm going to give you just 30 seconds to think about it, and then actually see on the screen, on the banking website or app, the amount that you wish to see. And you can do that now. breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. And I want you to see that amount. I want you to feel great that you attracted it through doing wonderful, fun work. And I want you to just feel how much you are worthy of that, how much you deserve it, how much you have created this for yourself, and that it took a long time, and how the fruits of your labor can now be enjoyed. And I want you to say to the person that paid you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for my pay. Thank you for the money. Thank you for recognizing my talents. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I want you to just stay in that gratitude and appreciation, just in the silence for a little bit of time. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. And breathe in for 4. And breathe out for 4. And I want you to just let that scene fade away, remembering to give thanks for your amazing salary and your amazing workplace, and how you attracted this through appreciation and gratitude and focusing on what you want. Living in the wish fulfilled, thinking from it before it's even manifested. So I'm going to count you out of the meditation, and when you're ready, open your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, lots of love to you, and may you continue to focus, continue to live from it. Remember, it's that state, the new state of I have what I want, okay? And bless where you are in the meantime. Lots of love to you, and I will see you tomorrow.